Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy, an icon of medieval engineering. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is one of the most famous medieval structures in the world, known for its unmistakable tilt and timeless charm. Built in the 12th century as the bell tower for Pisa's cathedral, this architectural wonder has become a global icon of perseverance and innovation. Despite its apparent flaw, the tower has captivated visitors for centuries. The lean began shortly after construction due to unstable soil beneath its foundation. For years, engineers and architects worked to stabilize it without compromising its iconic tilt. Today, it stands at an angle of about 4 degrees, a marvel of medieval ingenuity and modern engineering. The combination of its pristine white marble exterior and the delicate arches makes the tower a stunning visual treat. Climbing the Leaning Tower's 294 steps is an experience like no other. As you ascend, you can feel the tilt beneath your feet, which only adds to its unique charm. Once at the top, you're rewarded with panoramic views of the Piazza dei Miracoli, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that also includes the cathedral and baptistery. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is more than just a building. It's a symbol of human creativity and determination. It stands as a reminder that imperfections can sometimes become the most celebrated features of a masterpiece.